Quite often, English learners find themselves expanding their language. You discover new words and sentences to use. And we have words that are similar and they can be a little bit confusing. So you have to know these small differences in these words. Today, I'll explain the difference between watch, look, and see. So stay tuned. My name's Joe, your English specialist, and welcome to Hula. Let's begin. Watch. When we say watch, it means that we are focusing on something for a period of time. The word watch is a very active word. It requires some concentration and understanding. We use the word watch for movies, TV, or other forms of entertainment. For example, we watched a movie last night. Did you watch the latest episode of The Mandalorian? We watched a play on Broadway. You can see that we use watch for things that require a long period of concentration and understanding. Look. We use the word look when we want to direct someone's attention to something. It's a little different from watch. We often combine this with the preposition at. We're trying to get attention to a specific thing. We can use to when we refer to a direction like left or right. Let's check out a few examples. Here we can say, my mum looked at the photo. Can you look at this hole in my shirt? Look to your left. Once again, use look when you want to get someone's attention to something. See. Like I mentioned before, watch and look are active verbs, and they require someone to physically do that action, okay? But see is very different from these two verbs. It's passive. And this means we use see for things that we notice or understand. So for example, did you see the fireworks? We saw a lot of snow in the mountains. We can also use see when we witness something shocking or surprising, like an accident. We can say, did you see that crash? I can't believe what I'm seeing. Finally, we also use see when we visit someone or spend time with them. For example, I saw my parents on the weekend. Remember, watch is for paying attention. Look is for directing your eyes to something. And see is for observations that you noticed, surprising events, and visiting people. Thanks for watching this, and hopefully now you know the difference between these three words, watch, look, and see. Remember to click the subscribe button and hit the bell button to get the notifications. Stay tuned to get my latest videos every Tuesday. You can check out my Instagram as well and see my latest post at Hula Learning Studio. I'm Joe, your English specialist, and this is Hula. It's been a pleasure, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.